Whatever.
Just trying to block the shit.
I have to make a living here. Oh, am I starting it?
Hey man.
Do it. Oh shit, there's fuel.
Leaking?
We got a kill switch on
Choke?
this? No.
Choke's gonna pull fuel into the car. This thing was on my shop floor at 900 pieces.
Yeah. Thanks for your help.
Oh, no worries, man. He helps me out at my shop all the time, so I don't, you know, he's like, I need a hand with this, whatever. Here we are. We got it.
Yeah, so I said we're gonna. You're here to help lift it in? Is that what the deal is? Pretty much. He's just gonna run the jack.
Now, my question is, why aren't we just rolling the bike right here?
Yeah, why don't we move the bike over here? We should, all four of us.
Yeah, we can just move that sucker, no problem.
You want to orientate the motor? Spin the motor? Or
No, leave the motor where it's at. We'll just bring the nose over.
hang on.
Here, eat your spark plugs. They've been sitting there getting cold.
Okay. Handy's making an appearance?
Andy made an appearance. Hi, I'm Andy. Hi, I'm Andy. I'll test the clutch. Up and away, little man. Okay, hold up there.
Okay.
Now, I would say before we do that, let's bring the bike over this way.
Okay.
But what I'm going to do is move this jack just a hair. There we go.
Flipping the motor. Yep.
Oh, hold on. We're on this guy. Bring your front over. Oh, hold on, Sebastian. We're hitting the frame again. Let me. There we go. All right. Now bring the front end over.
The bike. Yep. Okay. Got a little bit too much?
I don't think so.
Where are we at?
Hang on. All right, tap it through. All the way through.
All right. Sweet. Now.
Okay. Now, if you grab two 2x4s, I'm gonna lift the ass end up. Just put them underneath them. Kickstand.
Oh. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah.
There we go. Now she's not rolling anywhere.
Sweet. Now we can do the rear sprocket too.
If somebody notices that, they're way too close to your bike.
I'm gonna fix it.
That's how I look at it. So when people, when I take a car to a car show, and they're like, hey man, this thing kind of right here is, I'm like,
stand back.
you're way too close to the
What
car.
are you doing? All right, fire it up.
Way too close.
Fired up.
Fired up. Sebastian, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I got you on that.
Bolts in right here, and it's like a white nylon wheel.
You have a spring on it too? Is it like a?
It's not a tensioner, no.
Not
All
a
it is a
derailleur.
roller because the chain has to have some slop to
It's
it.
that big white nylon.
Yeah, and without it,
Yeah.
you listen to that every time you go to shift.
Well, that's easy. Regardless of the motor running, that is a 5-second fix.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm saying. I'm just asking if you had it.
Tension the rear wheels out. Take that idler.
No, it'd be an idler wheel. Chain idler.
That doesn't bar us from.
Oh no, not at all.
So I'd like to get.
oil pressure all throughout the motor before we make it strain
I
to
see.
move.
I'm so excited to hear this thing start. How far off do you think we are?
I don't know this motor. So we should throw some plugs in it and put a gas tank on it and feed some fuel to it. He's just like, take them, man, put them in, put them in.
Are you worried?
Always.
Uh,
This is always that moment.
A moment when everything goes
Of
wrong.
course it's gonna tick when we start it. The lifters and everything's kind of straighten out. Solid right now. Try to get a little close.
Are those compression ring? Were those compression ring or were they tapered?
Compression ring. Let me look at the old one. Yeah, compression ring.
I don't know how hard I
250 foot-pounds. Until you hear a click. Snap. Then you back off just a hair and act like you don't know anything.
walk away. That sounds good.
good.
Yeah, we need to put fuel to it.
That sounds great.
We need to put fuel to it.
Plug wires.
That was the contention.
Yeah, you got a picture of them?
Yeah,
It was, the two on the inside went to the inside. Remember, we said something like that when we were pulling them.
That's
apart?
what I was saying,
Yeah.
are the inner ones
The
for
two
the...
short ones go to the inside, or some weird stupid thing. These two go to the inside.
That's
Read
all-
that.
That's all.
Cylinder numbers are 1 from 4 from left to right, though I don't remember at the moment which perspective. 1 and 4 are on one coil, and 2 and 3 are on the other coil.
There you go.
Each coil fires both wires at the same time, like Patrick says. The cylinder order I mentioned is how they are numbered in relation to your leg.
And we'll all go back to the bar and get another drink.
Yes, 2 and 3 come off the same coil and fire together. The engine block is part. Does it say driver side, passenger side?
Yes, it did.
Okay, which side's the driver side?
It depends on which side you get on. Are you
What?
right-handed or left-handed?
If it's a horse, you get in on the left side.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
That's the timing. We got all that knocked down, right?
Go all the way to the top.
Red coupler, positive lead, LEDs, pulsator, pulse notification, schematic of a ignition. It says ignition coil. Spark plug. This is a spark plug. Okay, so it's showing the left coils on the outside wires. Whatever.
Trying to walk the shit.
I have to make a living here. Oh, am I starting it?
Hey, man.
Do it. Oh shit, there's fuel.
Leaking?
We got a kill switch on this?
Choke?
No.
Choke's gonna
No.
pull fuel into the carbs faster when they go.
Gonna eat the paint?
Sorry. Trying.
Whoa!
We want to leave the burner on?
Go ahead. have it on the reserve because it's so low.
We can
But
fill it
let's
more.
go ahead and put gas in it.
Reserve goes lower than that regular pickup tubes.
Yeah.
Don't even know the condition of the pickup. Well, it's coming out.
No, it's overspray from the.
You clear it? Let it get oil and everything run through it. I don't know braking procedures on the engine for motorcycles, but hey, it's alive.
I'll run it up a little
Go
bit.
ahead. Look. I just did the stupid stuff like make you tap holes and stuff.
Flip the camera off.
Flip the camera off.
Things are deep.
This
Yeah.
sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna put my logo on the back of your shirt now.
Oh, good.
You stand right from it.
I'm always. I know. I don't know what it is, man. I don't even think about it.
No, but everywhere I put it for like last 10 times, you end up.
Yeah, but
right
you put it
front.
where it's out of the way, and my brain says get out of the way, so it's like always in the perfect spot to get out of the way. Oh well.
I don't care.
Hey, it's alive, man.
I got plenty of it. Oh yeah, what's that?
What's that? Dripping?
Yeah.
Oil.
Oh, well.
Oh, no, valve cover.
Yeah, they are. I didn't. I should have.
Oh,